Hi, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today, Chef Dom is going to show you how to make this wonderful dish. Dominic, what is it?
It's a stuffed portabella caprese mushroom.
Oh my God, it's not
Fresh mozzarella, fresh tomatoes, fresh basil.
Oh my God, it smells out of
It's
this
really good.
world.
I'll show you how to make it.
All right, let's get cooking.
All right. Today we're gonna do some portabella mushroom caprese.
That's some big mushrooms.
We're gonna marinate these caps in olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic, little fresh rosemary, and some balsamic vinegar.
Oh.
And we're also gonna put these on the grill.
Oh yeah.
And then we're gonna stuff them with tomatoes and fresh mozzarella and fresh basil.
Oh, let's do it. That sounds good. I'm not.
Delicious.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna chop up a little garlic here.
Yeah, we're gonna marinate them, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna marinate them. We're gonna marinate them and put them in the refrigerator until we're ready to put them on the grill. So you can marinate them for whatever, half hour, an hour.
Nice.
So
There's some big mushrooms there. It's a hat. It's a hat.
it's a portabella mushrooms.
You never seen them that big, Mom? Never.
I've seen them bigger. I've got bigger ones in a restaurant. All right, we're gonna put a little salt, some pepper, a little more salt in here. A lot of mushrooms, and let's see. We're gonna put some. Oh, let me get a little rosemary too.
Okay.
That's it. You want to be careful with the balsamic. It's pretty strong. And some olive oil.
And that's it, huh?
And that's it.
Wow, nice. Yeah, that's gonna give it a great flavor for sure.
Just want to mix it up a little bit so they get all. You know,
Oh,
just
man.
beautiful. And that's it.
All right.
That's it.
We'll put them in the refrigerator and then we'll grill them when we're ready. Okay, we're gonna make our tomatoes, basil, and fresh mozzarella for our portabella caprese mushrooms.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna cut up our mozzarella first. And my mom grew these little tomatoes.
Those look
are.
good, though. They're
Pretty
really
good. They
good.
look
They're
good.
sweet.
They look very sweet.
Those are.
This fresh mozzarella looks good.
Yeah.
And you want to kind of dice them up. Not too big, you know.
Cut them like for pieces.
Yeah.
All right. One half. Much better.
That's a nice looking tomatoes.
What you want to do is you want to dice these up too. You can also use those nice grape tomatoes and cut them in half.
Oh, yeah.
Also.
I like grape tomatoes. That works good, too.
These are in there now. I'm gonna put a little salt in there. A little pepper.
All right. Now refrigerate that.
Yeah, put it in the refrigerator. And then we can stuff our mushroom caps with it.
All right, we'll be back.
All right, we're gonna grill our portabella mushrooms on Paul's new fancy grill here.
Oh man, those look great. They smell good already. How long you let them grill for?
Until they're, you'll know when they're ready. They're real soft, you know? You just want to keep turning them and check them, especially if the grill is really hot, which it is.
Ooh, it's a hot one here in Texas today.
Jesus shit, man.
Damn.
That ain't over here, man. All right, we're gonna turn these over. These small ones are gonna cook up pretty quick before that big boy does.
Yeah. Man, it's like eating a steak.
Yep.
Nice.
I'm gonna get all that garlic and.
Man, if you guys could only smell this. Unbelievable.
These are gonna be ready in a second.
Yeah, you know what they call, you know, they look like, I don't know what they call them. Oh, yeah.
Beautiful, man.
Oh,
Not quite.
yeah. Yeah. All right, let's stuff these mushrooms. They look great, man. You can eat those just by themselves. It tastes just like a steak, I'm telling you. It's unbelievable. I had to go ahead and fill these with the caprese salad. Looking good. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, man. This is a great appetizer, especially during the summer. I mean, this is very refreshing. The mushroom combined with the salad is just a really great flavor. Anyway, work of art, Chef Dom, work of art. All right, Mom gets the first try here of this wonderful stuffed portabella caprese salad. Tell us what you think, Mama. What do you think?
Oh, well, it's delicious.
Enjoy.
I will. Thank you.
Hey, everybody. Thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.